Just like we say, if A equal to A transpose, yesterday we studied, if A is A transpose, then the matrix is symmetric, and if A transpose equal to minus A, then it is skew symmetric. Okay, so in this matrix, skew symmetric. So here this A, matrix A will have only real numbers are the as the elements. Okay, elements will be real numbers in this symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Okay, so when the elements are complex numbers, then comes Hermitian matrix. So when the elements of a matrix are complex numbers, then you define this Hermitian matrix. And the matrix is said to be Hermitian if A is equal to, or if A theta equal to A. And next one is skew Hermitian. And skew Hermitian if, can you say, if A equal to A transpose, then it is symmetric. If A transpose equal to minus A, then skew symmetric. Same way, if A theta equal to A, then it is Hermitian, and skew Hermitian if, what will be that? Matrix will be skew
मैम आपकी
Hermitian
आवाज
if
ब्रेक हो रही है.
here A equal to A transpose, then the matrix is symmetric matrix, right? And if A transpose equal to minus A, then the matrix is skew symmetric. Same way, if A theta equal to A, then the matrix we call it as Hermitian matrix. And can you say what will be for skew Hermitian? What could be that? If
मैम
A,
आपका वॉइस ब्रेक हो रहा है.
if A theta equal to A, if A theta equal to A, then it is Hermitian. And skew Hermitian if, tell me what will be that if A theta equal to minus A. Okay, same way like this only. Symmetric, A transpose equal to A, then it is symmetric. A transpose equal to minus A, then skew symmetric. Same way, if A theta equal to A, then Hermitian, and if A theta equal to minus A, then it is skew Hermitian. Now, what is this Hermitian matrix? Okay, so in Hermitian matrix, I'll write an example. Then we can define what is Hermitian matrix. Say, for example, I'll write here. You just tell me the definition from this example. Suppose I am writing A is equal to here A C plus ID. Here I write C minus ID and say B. This is one example. Okay. Now another example I am writing, say B is equal to, another one I am going to write 2 3 plus 2i minus I. Here I will write 3 minus 2i. Then here say some number, say 3, and here I will write say 5, and here say I, say 1, 2. This is another example. Okay. Again I will write one more example here. You need to tell me the definition of this Hermitian matrix. One more example I will write here. Say C is equal to 2, 2 plus 3i, 4 minus I. Here I will write 2 minus 3i. Here I will write 4 plus I. Here say some number, say 6. Here say 6 plus 2i. Here I will write 6 minus 2i. Here say another number 7. So now from these three examples, you tell me what will be a Hermitian matrix. All these three are Hermitian matrix. Okay, all three are Hermitian matrices. So can you define? Look at all the three matrices. Here diagonal elements A and B. Diagonal elements. They are the diagonal elements A and B. Here A and B. Here the diagonal elements are 2, 3 and 2. Okay. Here the diagonal elements are 2, 6 and 7. Okay. So in a Hermitian matrix, the diagonal elements will be, diagonal elements are purely real. Diagonal elements are purely real there. Purely real. Real means not complex. Okay. And second property what you are seeing there. First we saw diagonal elements are purely real elements. Okay, means there is no I with that one. Now second property, if you observe it very carefully, we can see, say, look at this C plus ID and C minus ID. What are they? What are they? C plus ID and C minus ID. Is there any relation between them?
Conjugate.
They are conjugate of each other. Now look at here, 3 plus 2i and 3 minus 2i. They are conjugate. Okay, and look at this I here, this I and this I, minus I and plus I. They are also conjugate. Similarly, if you look at this example, 2 minus 3i, 2 plus 3i, they are conjugate. 4 minus I and 4 plus I, this 4 minus I and 4 plus I, they are conjugates. Then 6 minus 2i and 6 plus 2i, they are conjugates. So what you can say, how will you define? What you will write here? First property is that their diagonal
Opposite
elements
numbers are always conjugate.
that is the elements placed symmetrically opposite on the symmetrically opposite to the diagonal elements are conjugate of each other. That is a definition. Okay, so in a Hermitian matrix, elements placed diagonally opposite to the diagonal elements are conjugate of each other. That is what I have written here. In a Hermitian matrix, every diagonal element is real. Every diagonal element is real, and elements symmetrically placed with respect to the principal diagonal are complex conjugate of each other. Means if 2 minus 3i is here, 2 plus 3i will come here. If 3 minus 2i here, then 3 plus 2i here. Okay. So elements placed diagonally or symmetrically opposite to the diagonal elements are conjugates of each other. Okay. Now I'll write one example. You need to complete that matrix. Another one I will write here. So I am writing here, say P. You need to do this. P is equal to, I am going to write some elements here. P is equal to, say, 1, 2, 3 here. Okay. Now here I write 4i. Here I don't know. This is 3 plus I am writing here. Here I don't know. Here 1 minus I am writing here. Here I don't know. So you fill it and tell me the answer. What will come?
Minus 4i.
So here in place, here it is 4i. So this A21. A21 means second row first column element will be what? That will be
Minus 4i.
minus 4i. This will be minus 4i. Then here it is, because these two are conjugate. 3 plus I is here. So here it will become 3 minus I. Here 1 minus I is here. So here it becomes, what will come there? 1 plus I. So I hope you understood how to find Hermitian matrix. Okay. Yes, ma'am. So what you have to do is, only thing in two things you need to remember. In Hermitian matrix, diagonal elements will be always real, and elements placed symmetrically opposite to the diagonal elements are conjugate of each other. Okay, so that is Hermitian matrix. That is what is written here in this definition. Now, skew Hermitian means it's a little bit complicated kind of. So here, suppose I am writing A is equal to, when I am writing example, then you will get it very easily. Okay, so here suppose I'll take a small one. A is 0 and say this is 2 plus 3i, and here I will write 2 minus 2 plus 3i, and here sorry, yeah, it can be 0 also, I. Then one more example I'll write here. Say B is equal to 3i 2 plus I minus 1 plus I. Then here minus 2 plus I. Here I. Here 3 minus I. This is 1 plus I. Minus 3 minus I, and say 0. Now from these two examples, you tell me, like the previous one only, from these two examples tell me the definition. What can be the definition of skew Hermitian matrix? Look at the diagonal elements first of all. Diagonal elements are 0 and I
Non-real.
here. And here 3I, 0. So, like in the previous one, previous means in Hermitian matrix, diagonal elements are always real. Okay, in skew Hermitian matrix, diagonal elements are purely imaginary or 0. Okay, in a skew Hermitian matrix, these diagonal elements are purely imaginary, means only I, complex numbers will come, or zeros will come. So it can be even 0, 0 or 0, I, all these three can be zeros also. So either that will be purely imaginary or 0. That is the first condition. Now second condition, see what is the relation between this 2 plus 3i and 2 minus 3i? Is there any relation? 2 plus 3i and 2 minus 3i any relation? What is the conjugate of 2 plus 3i?
2 minus 3i.
2 minus 3i. Now if I put a negative sign here outside, what will be this? Minus 2 plus
Minus 2
3i.
plus 3i.
What is this? Minus 2 plus 3i. So how can you say this? Elements placed symmetrically opposite are negative complex conjugate of each other. So 2 plus 3i, conjugate of that is 2 minus 3i. Okay, so conjugate is there, then negative of that. So negative conjugate of the other element. Okay, so now here it is, see 2 plus I is there, or if you take this one minus 2 plus I, or if you take this one any. So this 2 plus I is there, this 2 plus I means this is A1, 2, first row second column. A1, 2 element is 2 plus I. What is its conjugate? Its conjugate is 2 minus I. What is its negative? This is equal to minus 2 plus I. What is that? This one. Okay, so that is elements placed symmetrically with respect to their principal diagonal are negative complex conjugate of each other. Okay, so elements which are symmetrically opposite to the principal diagonal are negative conjugates of each other. So here 3 minus I. 3 minus I is there. Which element it is? Second row, third element, A23. A23 is 3 minus I. Okay, A23 second row, third element is 3 minus I. Now what is its conjugate? Its conjugate is 3 plus I. Now what is its negative sign? Minus. So open the bracket, minus 3 minus I. So this you got. Okay, so that is skew Hermitian matrix. That means in skew Hermitian matrix, diagonal elements are purely imaginary or 0, and elements placed symmetrically with respect to the principal diagonal are complex conjugates of negative complex conjugates of each other.